Good morning, everyone. Messy hair, don't care. Got the dogs laying over there on the bed being so good. And I was asleep. And she came in here. And look what I got. I got breakfast in bed. It's like egg, cheese, ham sandwiches. And I got a glass of OJ. Oh, this is going to be delicious. I'll catch up with you guys in a little.
Good morning, guys. We just did our first breeding with these two. Alithia is not pleased. Be nice to her. Yeah. Did you have fun? I bet. Oh, this is so dirty. I need to wash it. We just did our first breeding. We're going to remove her, though, while we're not here. That way he doesn't overdo it with her and stress her out too much. And we've got her in here minding her own business. But yeah, we'll keep you updated on what happens with these two. Yeah. Yeah. She's not happy. Poor girl. Huh. Big boy.
But hey, buddy.
Alright, we will keep you guys updated.
He's like, oh boy, Daddy's got my toy. Daddy has my toy.
Come here. Where are we, Umbry?
He's like, look what he has. No, you gotta be quiet.
Just play up here. Come on.
I know, what do I have? What do I have?
We're gonna go play ball.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yes. Sit. Good boy.
Right here, Umber. You got pee-pee.
Oh, he took it from me.
You didn't expect that to happen?
No, I thought he'd bounce it back. Come here.
No, they haven't gotten to play in forever.
Come here. I know. He's gonna run around for the next 20 minutes before I get to throw it again.
Uh-huh.
Look
Really,
alive.
dude?
Look alive. Come here. Look at him go.
Get up here. Come on. Get up here.
She's like, I'm coming. I'm coming. Come here. Drop it. Drop it. Good boy. One bounce and he caught it.
Oh, he stumbled.
Come here. No. Good boy. Oh, you got it.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. should title this video, "My Dog's the World's Best Goalkeeper." And we'll get the thumbnail of him like getting the ball. Like, no! But you're gonna have to hold him by the goal line. So I'll hold the camera.
Alright, you're out.
You ready to get this, Umbry? Oh, he saved it! Stay. Oh, and he got it! Good boy. Seems like you guys aren't making any goals on me today. Huh, can you drop it? Can you drop it? Can you get it if I shoot it from here? Huh? Huh? Oh, it's a goal!
Play in the water.
Oh!
Oh, I'm glad we have a towel in the car.
Oh, me too. You got half soaked, huh, bud?
Oh no, he's half covered in mud. Is that fun, Ember? Oh,
Good girl.
I'm glad we took off their
They're
collars. Come on!
He was booking it.
Come on, Ember!
You bringing it back, bud?
Come on! Good girl.
This is nice. Ember! Oh.
Oh.
You weren't fast enough. Come here. Give me the ball. Give me the
Yeah,
ball.
Mommy doesn't want it.
Watch.
Ember.
Watch, I'm gonna hit the tree. Ember, ready?
I didn't get that, but that sucks. That was pretty cool. Oh, look at the little tiny pond.
I know. Drop.
A little puddle. Ew. Oh.
It's really deep. Umbry.
We gotta be careful so they don't get hurt.
I know.
I know, but there's that little stick that goes all the, like, it's not a little stick. It's a log.
Come here, you cheater. He dove under it.
I know, I think I got that on camera too.
Bring it here, boy. Good boy. Again.
Look at him go.
I know. He's like, I'm gonna get it. Come here, boy. Come here. I'm sorry.
working.
Look, guys, where are we?
What is this?
Where are we? Look at this.
What is that?
You don't like that?
What is that? We're at the car wash, guys.
Oh yeah, look. Ember does not like it.
What is that?
Oh, woof. Woof, woof. She's trying to smell it.
What is it, Umbry?
What is this?
Trying to get it.
She is not liking it.
Ember! It's okay. It's almost done. Look, now it's just rain. She was like, bull crap.
She was not having it.
What is it, Ember? Umbry.
Umbry, what are we doing?
He's like, I'm just chilling. Quit. Quit. Alright, go.
Was
What's
that
that?
fun?
Was that fun? She was like, no, screw you guys.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, you smell like poo. Go in the back. Now we gotta watch you guys when we get home, huh? Yeah, we
She's
did
like,
the
no.
laundry earlier. Now we just got the car. Now we gotta clean you guys because, woo, boy, get back. You stink. You stink. Uh-oh. Poor little Ember's getting a bath. Huh. Aww. She's like, it's not okay. Look at Umbry eating the water.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Umbry, are you drinking the water? You're next. Gotta get you nice and clean, huh, girl? Oh, no, she's not. He is having the time of his life. Look at him. He's like, look at all this free water. She's like, oh, no. It's... Oh, boy. There's a ton of hair on your hand. Umbry! She's about to spray you. Don't you come over here near me and get me sprayed.
Are you trying to save her?
I think he is. He knows she doesn't like it. Oh, Amber, look at that face. Oh, we sorry.
I know, baby. No, don't jump on me.
She's like, I'll just go around in circles then. Umbry, you getting the water? Getting the water? Hey, where are you going? You're almost done, girl. You are.
guys, we finally got back from the park and from giving the dogs a bath. They are whooped. Look at this. One laying down here on the floor, the other one laying on his bed. They are sleepy. Sliding
Yeah,
is
you guys
terrible.
have fun? Did you guys have fun?
Get some lighting up in here.
Yes. Please don't step on my toe. It still hurts. Ow, and you're stepping on my toe.
Shh. Your dad is sleeping. Not so loud.
You little butthole. Hey,
We
baby,
got
you want to do me a favor?
Spyro up there bobbing his head. I mean, I'm sure he had a very fun day today. Get down. The dogs had a bath and got their nails clipped after their little dirty run in the pond or little swamp. It's more of a swamp, I would say.
Oh, if you don't stop landing on your toes. Ooh.
Currently, right now, we are just relaxing. I'm watching some Okay Baby. Little Levi there. Michael's watching whatever he's watching, I'm not sure.
I'm waiting on her to go get the TV so I can play Xbox.
Oh, that's funny, because that's not happening.
I'm so sore.
You two, quiet.
I think I actually, your brother messaged me, and I messaged him back, he hasn't replied. I might be going to pick him up to go play basketball. I don't know what he wants. Maybe that's what he wanted to go do, but I don't know. So, we'll see what our plans are for the rest of the night.
I'm going to be editing the vlog, so I'm not going to be doing anything for the rest of the night.
Yeah, she gets to have fun doing that. I'm sure I'll have to learn eventually, but not today.
Hey, that was mean.
Who did it?
Ember, leave him alone. You better not touch Mommy's chips. Nuh-uh. Get off the bed. Good boy. Good girl. Ember's mean to him. She always bites him. Alright guys, that's probably the end of the vlog. Not really sure. I might send the camera with Michael if he goes and does something. We will see.
Bye.
See you later.
We'll see you tomorrow.